Hello everyone, this is Afra from Quick WordPress Websites. In this video, we are going to see top 10 Elementor compatible best news, magazine, blog WordPress themes. All are stunning themes, 100% free with demo import option. Most importantly, whole website can be customizable using Elementor free. Let's dive into the video. Number one, NewsMatic theme. It's come with 15 plus free ready-made Elementor starter demos that you can import with a single click and customize effortlessly using the Elementor builder. NewsMatic is seamlessly integrated with the NewsKit Elementor add-ons plugin, which is significantly enhances Elementor's functionality. These add-ons provide 30 plus advanced news widgets and more than 100 pre-designed starter blocks to help you build content-rich pages faster. The key features are one-click demo import, header and footer builder, mega menu builder, create visually appealing and rich mega menus. It is perfect for you organizing large amount of content, and advanced typography options. You can customize fonts for every element using a library of 900 plus Google fonts, and also custom news widgets. Access 30 plus specialized news widgets tailored for professional news portals, blogs, and magazine websites. Additionally, NewsMatic theme provides free support and step-by-step video tutorials to help you to get started. You can try the free version and upgrade to pro version anytime once you are confident. Number two, Royal Elementor Kit theme. It's a purpose-built WordPress theme designed to work flawlessly with the Elementor page builder. Highly versatile in nature, it is ideal for news portals, business websites, blogs, and many other type of sites. To unlock its full potential, the theme should be used along with Royal Elementor add-on plugin. The Royal Elementor Kit theme is flexible and beginner-friendly, offering a wide range of pre-designed templates and blogs for effortless customization. It is fully responsive, SEO-friendly, and optimized for fast loading, make it an excellent choice for creating professional and high-performing news website. The key features of Royal Elementor Kit theme includes it is built for Elementor and built-in Elementor template kits available. The Royal Elementor Kit includes over 100 pre-built Elementor templates that can be imported with a single click to speed up your website design process. And also it has sticky header. The sticky header feature keeps the header visible as user scrolls, improving navigation and accessibility across the website. And the particle effects, that is eye-catching particle effects to different sections of your website to highlight important content and enhance your user engagement. The customizable parallax background feature creates a depth effect by moving background images at a slower speed, resulting in a more immersive browsing experience. Overall, the Elementor Kit WordPress theme is a complete solution for news website creators and Elementor enthusiasts. Number three, Generatepress. Generatepress is a powerful and lightweight WordPress theme that works seamlessly with Elementor. Its versatility and collection of pre-built templates make it a solid choice for creating modern and professional news websites. It is highly customizable and suitable for a wide range of websites. Whether you are building a blog, portfolio, business site, or online store, the theme can be easily tailored to meet your specific requirements. The key features include flexible layout customization that includes multiple layout options, allowing you to control sidebar placement with an overall page structure to match your design needs. Elementor compatibility. Generatepress integrates smoothly with Elementor, making it easy to design custom page layouts using a simple drag and drop interface. Optimized speed and performance. With its minimalistic design and clean code base, Generatepress is optimized for fast loading times and excellent performance. Overall, Generatepress stands out as a fast, flexible, and lightweight WordPress theme, making it as an excellent option for news websites. Number four, Blocksy. Blocksy is a modern, lightweight, and high-performance WordPress theme built to work seamlessly with the Elementor page builder. Its flexibility makes it suitable for a wide range of websites, including business sites, portfolios, blogs, online stores, and news platforms. The key features are dynamic templates. Blocksy includes dynamic templates that automatically pull content from different sources, allowing you to create a customized layouts easily using Elementor. Multiple header and footer layouts. You can choose from several header and footer layouts and customize them effortlessly using the live customizer. Social media integration. Easily connect your website to social platforms by adding social icons, sharing buttons, and other social media elements. One-click demo import. Blocksy offers over 28 pre-built demos websites that can be imported with a single click, helping you launch your website quickly. WooCommerce compatibility. The theme is fully compatible with WooCommerce, making it easy to set up and manage an online store within your news or content-driven website. Overall, Blocksy stands out as one of the top WordPress themes for news websites, offering powerful customization and design flexibility with Elementor. It enables users to create personalized, visually appealing, and high performing websites with ease. Number 5. Digital newspaper. Digital newspaper is a feature rich WordPress theme specifically designed for news portals and online magazines. It integrates seamlessly with popular page builder plugins such as Elementor. The theme is translation ready, fully multilingual, and thoroughly tested for compatibility with the WPML plugin. The key features include pre-built starter websites. The theme includes over 15 ready-made starter websites that can be imported with a single click and customized to suit your brand and content needs. And diverse section layouts. The digital newspaper offers a rich selection of layouts, including 5 front page sidebar layouts, 5 archive sidebar layouts, 5 page sidebar layouts, and more, giving you full control over site structure. And it have advertisement blocks. Built-in advertisement blocks allow you to place ads in various segments of the website, helping you to monetize your content effectively. Also, it have newsletter subscription. The newsletter subscription feature lets readers subscribe your updates, ensuring they receive regular news and never miss important content. Number 6, OceanWP. OceanWP is a versatile multi-purpose WordPress theme that works exceptionally well for builders building news websites. It is fully compatible with the Elementor page builder, enabling users to design and launch websites quickly and efficiently. The key features include social sharing buttons. Built-in social sharing buttons allow visitors to share your content across multiple social media platforms, increasing reach and engagement. Drag and drop page builder support. OceanWP is fully compatible with popular drag and drop page builders such as Beaver Builder and Visual Composer, in addition to Elementor, giving you maximum design flexibility. SEO friendly structure. The theme is optimized for search engines, helping your website achieve better visibility and higher rankings on search engine results page. RTL language support. It supports right to left languages such as Arabic, Hebrew, and Persian, ensuring proper layout and content display for multiple audiences. It also lightweight and high performance. Designed with speed in mind, OceanWP loads quickly and delivers content efficiently. Is an essential feature for news website. Number 7, Phlox. Phlox is a flexible WordPress theme that works seamlessly with the Elementor page builder along with other popular page builders. It having free and pro templates. The Phlox theme offers a wide range of free features and tools to help you to create professional website with ease. It includes over 45 free page templates and demos, more than 30 custom Elementor elements. The key features include one-click demo importer. That's the Phlox allows you to import demo website with a single click, helping you to get a fully responsive design, multiple post formats. The Phlox supports various post formats, enabling you to display blog and news contents in diverse and engaging styles. 30 plus exclusive widgets, RTL language support. Overall, Phlox enables you to build clean, minimal, and efficient web pages without any coding knowledge. Number 8, Astra. Astra is a fast, lightweight, and highly customizable WordPress theme suitable for building various types of websites, including news portals, blogs, and business websites. It is built to work seamlessly with popular page builders such as Elementor, Beaver Builder, and Gutenberg, making website design simple and efficient. The theme optimized for SEO, ensuring excellent performance and search engine visibility. The key features include pre-built templates. Astra includes 32 plus ready-made news and magazine templates that can be easily imported using the Astra Starter Site plugin, allowing you to launch a website quickly. Customizable header and footer. With Astra, you can design and customize headers and footers using drag and drop tools, especially when paired with Elementor Page Builder. Integration with popular plugins such as Elementor, Yoast STO, and WooCommerce, ensuring extended functionality. Custom post types. You can create custom post types to categorize and manage news content efficiently. Translation ready. Astra supports multiple languages, enabling you to build multilingual websites and reach a global audience. Number 9, Kadence theme. Kadence theme blog templates are designed to help users create fast, clean, and highly customizable blogs with minimal effort. Kadence theme offers a collection of professionally styled blog layouts suitable for personal blogs, news websites, and content-rich publication. Kadence blog templates are built with a native WordPress blog editor, that is Gutenberg, as well as popular page builders like Elementor. The key features include pre-designed blog layouts. Kadence provides multiple ready-made blog templates including grid list, masonry, and classic layouts, making it easy to choose design that fits your content style. Flexible post layout options. Kadence allows full control over blog elements such as featured images, author boxes, meta information, categories, and related posts. It also supports header and footer customization. The Kadence theme is speed and performance optimized. It also SEO and accessibility ready. Built with clean code and accessibility best practices, Kadence templates help improve search engine visibility and provide a better experience for all users. Number 10, Hueman blog theme. Hueman is a powerful and flexible WordPress blog theme designed to suit a wide range of content-driven websites. It supports Elementor Builder. It has responsive and mobile-friendly design, flexible layout options. The theme supports multiple layout styles, including 1-column, 2-column, and 3-column designs. It also having advanced sidebar management. The Hueman offers customizable sidebars with multiple widgets. You can easily control where widgets appear on posts, pages, or categories, giving you greater freedom in designing your blog structure. It also having built-in social media integration and also the performance optimized. The Hueman is a lightweight and optimized for speed, contributing to faster page load times and a smoother browsing experience. Hueman is especially well suited for bloggers who prioritize content quality and reliability. So this is the end of the tutorial. Please share your experience with these themes in the comment section. If you feel any other best Elementor supportive blog themes, please leave in the comment section. Please subscribe our channel and stay with us. Thank you.